Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wild Guan Tours. We're in the gorgeous Zante and we have landed in Laganas, and we've got the lovely Como Island just behind us in the horizon. You can actually do little day trips there. It's really, really pretty, but we're going to take a walk this way along Laganas Beach. So let's see Wild Guan. You all know the vibe.
Alright, let's go guys. Yeah. So you can see everything's fixed up from the winter storms. Let's get down there and see what else has been fixed. Beach is looking nice.
So yeah, they had some really bad storms, didn't they? Yeah. And a lot of this got all sort of like destroyed, basically, all the front
damaged, yeah. So everyone had to redo their places.
The areas. So you got Hamza.
Yeah.
Really nice comfy seats out the front. Morning.
So yeah, everyone enjoying it.
Yeah, it's nice.
So we're heading up to, hello. So yeah, we're heading up to, what's it called?
Bravos or something, you said?
No, I don't know. I can't remember what the place called. You guys will see in a minute.
Yeah, you have to tune in to see where we end up. We've got quite a few people in the water again here. The water's very shallow, so you can walk quite far out, and it's only up to like knees. You can see the guys out there.
Check the water, guys.
Careful we don't get sucked into the ocean.
No. So, got some of the hotels here. Yeah. Not as windy as Celebi down here.
No.
Actually, there's no wind. It's making me sweat even more.
Yeah, absolutely no wind.
Really hot day today. It's only just 12 in the afternoon, so.
It's going to be a scorcher.
So, the sea's a little bit down at the moment. Must be tides out. Because normally you can't walk along this little bit here.
Acti, kitchen bar.
You can see there's a plane coming in. If you guys can see that. It will come across us in a minute. So, Zante, looking lovely. And you've got Mambo next to it. Mambo's, I can't remember if Mambo's a little bit cheaper than a lot of these other places.
There's all the sort of classics.
Yeah. Right, so look, you've got the plane coming in. Straight there. Let's see if I can zoom in. So you can sit on the beach. Plane watching. Or you can go to, there's a cafe. Airport cafe?
Yeah, Kalamaki.
Airport cafe, you can go there. We will do a video from there. We did a video from there, so this is Blue Sea.
Chairs don't look as comfy in this one.
Oh, this is where everyone is in here.
Oh yeah, go Briscoe.
Yeah. So here we are.
Yeah.
Everyone enjoying themselves. So we're going to do, we're going to come back. How you doing, you alright?
You alright?
How you doing, brother?
How you doing, my
You
brother?
enjoying the sunshine?
Good, yeah.
Come on, yes, sister. Looking all nice and brown.
That's it.
Come on.
We had to get out early to get the brownness.
Brother,
And
listen.
Kirk.
Yeah, this is exactly what I'm trying to do.
Like
Get a little bit of sun before, before everything starts, everyone start party and just live up and love up and ting.
That's
Yes.
it.
So we're doing a little walk for the channel, and then come back, get
Yeah.
ready,
Nice.
Get some drinks
and then
in
meet
us.
for all. Have you gone to Infinity
Where's your
yet?
drinks at?
We're going to get some. We're going to go
No,
walk
we're
to there
doing
and
a
come
walk
there.
first, and then
Yeah.
We're not drinking.
Whatever you're drinking, what are you saying? Where's it?
I just got pineapple.
Cocktails.
Oh,
Look at you guys.
But I got some
water as well.
some spiritual water.
To add to it.
Fire
Good
water
stuff.
in there.
That's what you want.
Yes. Holy water.
So, chase away all the demons.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Jaja know you now. Bless you now. Zante water. Lord have mercy.
So I guess you guys will drop a pin where you guys are, right?
Yes, we
Yeah,
will do,
yeah.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Right, 5 minutes, yeah?
Yeah,
We're
we're
coming
going
back.
to do our walk and we'll
Yes,
be
ma'am.
back.
Bye, brother.
Big up,
Enjoy
brother,
the
yeah?
sunshine. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Big up, brother.
How you doing?
I'm good, man. You?
Good, man. All good.
I know.
guys
Sun
all
is
ready?
shining, nice and warm.
Shining, she's warm.
That's it. 5 minutes, yeah?
See you later.
So yeah,
We
everyone
got
enjoying the sun.
Super Paradiso.
Oh yeah, Super Paradiso. I don't know if it was called that last year.
Paradiso?
Was it called Paradiso last year?
I don't think so. Again, where we do so much, we don't always like play back. So you guys might have to tell us if things have changed.
Yeah.
Sort of our job to say if things have changed.
But normally,
Tropicana's was definitely
Yeah.
there.
yeah, Tropicana's there.
That comes
That's
out quite far.
You got the Laganas sign just here on the left.
Yeah. The classic I Heart Laganas. And then that goes up to the main strip up there.
Oh yeah, the main strip out there.
Yeah.
I'll take you to all the clubs, all the parties. Oh, this one's got its beds out nice and early this year.
Yeah, didn't have that last time, did it?
No.
So we got Moria.
Got Voluptuous over there.
Yeah, getting ready. Like a lifeguard special, isn't it? Baywatch is on the comeback.
Definitely is.
Yeah. Got Mandela, that was there last time, wasn't it?
Yep. Mandela. So yeah, lovely. Everyone see the sun just disappeared for a second, but be out in a minute.
It's just cloud, isn't it?
What we do is we'll walk up a little bit more and we do like a full one with prices. Send sunbed prices if they're doing it for free or if they're charging. And the walkway is completely finished now, so
So that's really good.
yeah. So I might do, so I don't want to get my feet wet. I'm going to walk on the walkway. Yes.
She knows.
So the walkway is finished
Got
this year.
Tazos here. The beach beds look nicer, don't they? Like they've updated.
Is there a reservation over here?
Where?
Boulevard?
Not here.
Not now. Later.
What about you guys?
Oh,
You
no,
good?
we're good.
How are
We're
you? You okay?
filming.
Very well, thank you. Where you please?
We're just going down the
Just
beach.
doing a walk.
So yeah. Everyone wants you to come for a beer. Okay, they're going Boulevard.
Here.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
Well, we're going to jump down to the sea now. So what we do, walk down towards Infinity. I'm going to finish outside Infinity. We're doing a meet and greet in here later on, so you'll see that video maybe tonight as well. So we've got Malibu's.
This is new, isn't it?
Yeah, Malibu's is brand new. Hello.
Hello.
So yeah, Malibu's is brand new. I think so anyway. Either that or they've had a paint job.
Again, a lot of these got destroyed. So this one's back, Isabel's.
Isabel's,
That
yeah.
got really badly damaged. I'm glad to see they've sorted that out and it's all back with the pink.
Yeah.
Got the swings up there as well. Yeah, the beds are lovely here, don't they?
Yeah. It's nice. So yeah, everyone enjoying the cocktails.
The pink cocktails and the strawberries.
Hello, you okay?
Hello, you alright?
Good man. So yeah, fixed it. But if you watch down to it, you'll see all of this was destroyed up here. Everything had to be remade. And now it's all looking good. We've just come out to
Looking a lot
Infinity
better.
now. But yeah, check it out, guys.
Infinity. This is where we're going to be doing our meet and greet later, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, not us, but for
Not our meet and greet.
Zakynthos.
Yeah, Zakynthos meet and greets here. So, what we'll do is we're going to finish this one.
Cuponaros.
No, we're going to finish here. So guys, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.